Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnar as well. So guys, as you are already aware that 23rd of January, Infosys conducted the first level of exam, which is the online test, the first stage exam they conducted for system engineer profile. So let's discuss the level of exam, the cutoff, the sectional cutoff, each and everything. How was the exam yesterday, 23rd of Jan, and what was the experience of the candidates. So the sections were like first there were five sections in total, wherein reasoning, mathematical, verbal, pseudocode, and puzzle were the topics. As you can see, the number of questions for each and every section and the time duration to like complete that exam. So you can see for reasoning it was easy to medium level questions were there, and for maths, mathematical, there were questions from profit and loss, percentage, then algebra, etc. There were questions from which were medium level, and yes, verbal ability was also up, like easy to medium level questions were there. And yes, for pseudocode, now it was easy to medium, and puzzle was also easy to medium. For pseudocode, it depends upon the candidate to candidate. I mean, how like how much you go prepared. So yeah, it depends. So let's discuss about the sectional cutoff. So for reasoning, sorry, it's 15. So there were 15 questions. So if you have done 10 questions correctly, so you there is a like that sectionally you are qualified for maths. Approximately 60 to 70% questions if you are related correctly, then you again cleared the sectional cutoff. For verbal, similarly for verbal, it is like 12 to 13 questions, and pseudocode again 2 to 3 questions, and for puzzle also 2 to 3 questions. If you have done 3 questions, then again the chances of like clearing that cutoff for that particular this section will be higher. And yes, if you clear all the sectional cutoff, then the chances of getting selected for the interview round would be very much higher. So yes, these were the sectional cutoffs and the level of questions which I wanted to share with you people. And yes, now let's discuss about the exam, I mean the interview. When will your exam results get out? So yes, for this Infosys, it approximately takes a week or so to get the results. So yeah, you can wait till the month end, which is like 31st, approximately like 7 to 8 days, or you can calculate 10 days approximately. You can take. So yeah, let's wait for the results. And yes, let comment me in the comment section that how many questions you did correctly, and are you qualifying for the sectional cutoff for each and every section. So yeah, do share with your friends. And yes, in case you have any doubt or query, let me know in the comment section. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe.